Hello and welcome. I'm Rory, and this is RoriTravel's Florida. We're here on Florida's East Coast, the Space Coast, at Kennedy Space Center. We've been invited to come out here and share it with you. That background noise you hear, that's an astronaut briefing, because while we're here at Kennedy Space Center, our astronauts from the Space Shuttle Atlantis are somewhere up there at the International Space Station. It's the last mission for the Atlantis, and there's only 2 Space Shuttle missions left. But there isn't an end to the space program, because like everything that happens at NASA, everything that happens in America, dreams keep happening, and Americans, humans, keep reaching for the stars. Come on in with us. Let's explore what they have here at Kennedy Space Center, and let's find out how we can keep reaching for those stars.
So take a look at the S-scans, and they went up there again.
We're about to take the Kennedy Space Center tour. It's a bus tour throughout the property here at Kennedy Space Center with various stops allowing you to see the different points of interest throughout the property. You'll be able to see Pad 39A where the space shuttle takes off from. There's an observation deck where you'll get to see a panorama of this entire beautiful reserve. There's plenty of places to take a break, there's places for the bathroom, there's places for food, but most importantly, it's a look at our space program. Come on aboard. We've just made the first stop of our Kennedy Space Center tour. We've just gotten off the bus. You can actually see it in the background with the new group loading on. And in the far distance, what you see is the Vehicle Assembly Building. That's that famous building where they put all the rockets and things together. We've just driven past it. We're about to go up and, well, do about 3 flights of stairs to an observation tower so that we can get an overall view of the Kennedy Space Center complex. Let's take a walk, shall we? We're underneath the observation tower right now, and behind me what you see are some elevators. So if you're not up to the 3-story walk, or perhaps you're handicapped or you have children, you don't have to worry about making the climb alone. You can use one of the elevators. We're going to walk it.
Right now, I picked it up and it's just warm from the touch. That's how fast.
We're here at the top of the observation tower. We just got off the bus and we climbed up here so we could get a panoramic view of the Kennedy Space Center. Behind me, that building that you see is Launch Pad 39A. 39A is where the space shuttles will take off from. It was built back in the late 1960s for the Apollo program, but they've modified it to handle the space shuttle program. This is an incredible panorama. You get to see the entire Kennedy Space Center, and Cape Canaveral is that way, by the way. You get to see this reserve, too. There's animals of all kind out here. Alligators. We even saw a bald eagle on the way in. 39A. There's only 2 space shuttle launches left, and they'll both come from there. Out there behind me on the horizon, that tall white building, that's the Vehicle Assembly Building. That's where they put the space shuttle together with the solid rocket boosters that are going to take it up into space. You can see sort of at the bottom there, the low building with the black windows across it. That's where the Space Shuttle Command is from. That's the people who are going to launch the rocket into space. Then they'll send it over to Houston where the entire space shuttle mission is going to be controlled from. Right down here closer, that's the crawler. They're going to put the space shuttle on top of that and move it out very slow pace to the Space Shuttle's Launch Pad 39A. It takes about 8 hours for them to get it out there, and they're very precise and very slow. When you got something that big, you gotta be.